30 years out of date by 1949. It's all doomed. The car is the future. You can see it already. If the car had any problems, they weren't from 1949. They were from 2009. 10 40 mile an hour speed limit in full. Finally, on the oval, Vincent was unleashed and hunting down. And now struggling, my boy, would you? Oh, wait, that's not right. No. Between man and no. No, my point is, this is what this was like. There was everything else.
No more?